And not even to mention, they already replaced their alternator too. Alternator, starter, battery. How much do y'all think that cost? All right, so I don't know if y'all saw a short, but had no start down there. Okay, I know there's not power making its way down to the starter solenoid because you hear no clicking. So how I test that is I can actually go from here, right? I could back probe that. This is what I meant last time. So I'm not getting power down there at the starter, and how I can test that is back probe this. Now y'all gonna hear a buzzer, right? You should hear a buzzer. Y'all hear that?